is one of the most important day of my life. I'm really excited and nervous at the same point of time. जो चीज़ मैं बहुत सालों से ट्राई कर रहा था वो फाइनली आज हो रही है. आपने हेडिंग पढ़ी ली होगी what exactly is this video all about. But just to let you know, this video is or this event is dedicated to two most important people of my life. That is my mom and my dad. And I hope this turns out to be good, and I hope they like this. It's a surprise for them. And without actually delaying it further, let's move on. I'm already late for my appointment, and I'll see you at the venue. See ya. So finally guys, the time is as of now 4 in the morning. Masterpiece is completed and the credit goes to Anikesh Suryavanshi, the artist behind this beautiful piece. Hi. So as I was away from my home and I've always been close to my parents, I used to always miss them. So that's when the concept of getting inked portrait of my mom dad came into my mind, so that I don't feel that I'm away from them. I get that feeling that whenever I'm missing them and I'm away from them, I can simply close my arms and try to hug them and avoid that feeling of getting left out or away from my parents. So after finalizing the concept of the portrait tattoos, the next big question for me was where to get it inked from, and that's when I came to know about Alien Tattoos. And after looking up to their website and checking out the individual artist's portfolio, I made up my mind that if it has to be a portrait tattoo of my mom dad, it has to be from Alien Tattoos, because the kind of work and detailing they have got, I believe it's mind-blowing. ये भी एलियन टैटू सिखाता है क्या शेप कैसे करना है? शेप कैसे करना है ये भी एलियन टैटू सिखाता है क्या?
हाँ, सब ये सबसे मेन रहता है ना।
स्टार्ट। सो गाइस द टाइम एज ऑफ नाउ। शाबाश।